Hello friends, I am Murli and this is my CCNA training program. In last few videos, we have discussed different layers of OSI reference model, and today we are going to discuss about the presentation layer. Presentation layer, if you see at the center end, in that case, it is the second end layer, or in a sequence, it is sixth layer of OSI reference model. There are total 7 layers. Fine, we have discussed about a physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and session. Now, what is the function of presentation? As the name, presentation, means actually it is related to the presentation of our data. How our data will be represented in the network. So, just see few important points of this layer. First thing is translation. Translation means the processes in two system exchange the information in the form of character string, number, or and so on. Our data means our data can be a string, a number, or any character, any picture, any video. Different computer uses different encoding methods. Maybe platform is different. One is Windows platform, second is Linux platform, third one is Mac platform, or maybe Windows, but somebody is using different OS. Someone is using one OS, some other person is using different OS. Maybe that person is using some different application. So encoding method means data formation method can be different. But this data will be transferred through the network to the next system. Next system can have same technique or maybe different technique to encode data. Any technique that is used to encode data is also used to decode it. So, if there is a difference in that case, presentation layer is responsible for translation of data from one code to another. Okay. Now, second important feature is encryption. Encryption is a technique in which data is converted into some code. This is done for the security reasons. Because if our data will move from one node to another node, in that case, there may be a chance of data leak, or you can say directly data hack. Or this is not compulsory that when data will be transferred from one system to another system. In that case, hacking will be done. Hacking can be done at the machine also. Okay, fine, you are not transferring the data, but data is present in your system. Your system may be hacked or data can be stolen. So for this reason, the actual data is changed into some code that is known as encryption. Fine. In encryption, different algorithms are used, and with the help of those algorithms, data is encrypted. Fine. Suppose for security, we are encrypting data. It's okay, but if we have to use that data again, in that case, we have to do decryption. If you are just transferring encrypted data to next system, next node, in the same network or different network, it doesn't matter. In that case, next system will also decode this data. So these two functions, means encryption and decryption, is performed at presentation. Okay. Now, compression. What is compression? Data compression is a process of compressing the data. Okay, fine. Why? To reduce the size of data, means to reduce the number of bits to be transmitted. Data compression is very important in multimedia such as text, audio, video. And if you will compress the data at one end, this data should be decompressed at the another end. Or suppose you have kept some data in your own system in a compressed form, in a small form. In that case, if you are going to use that data again, that data should be decompressed. So compression and decompression is also done at this presentation. Fine. So these three important features, translation, encryption, and compression, is done at presentation. Okay. So this is enough for the presentation layer. In next video, I will discuss the last layer of OSI reference method model, that will be application. Thank you very much. Thanks for today.